Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're at Five Below. Okay, so when we walk in, this is the first thing that we see. I have these. I think I want to get me some of those. These are heavy.
Show them this.
The flamingo.
Flamingo.
Look at these tables. Like patio tables. And they're metal. Those are only $5. That's not bad. There's the stools. More summer stuff.
Oh look, there's a little thingy right here.
Oh yeah, that's kind of cool.
Like the water, like a hose
Yeah,
splasher,
socks.
like a hose splasher.
I have dresses on this side.
Oh, do you like this?
That's cute. It's got a matching skirt.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and they have another one. You see?
A little pink one.
Oh, it's cute.
Yeah, it's a yummy one.
It's a huge.
Something yummy.
They have so much candy here.
Yeah, it's still 5 below. What's this one?
Sophia's looking for a specific one. All the gummies in the world. Alright, let me help her. See if we can find it.
Can I get this one? This one's small. How much does it cost?
I don't know how much right now. Look how cool this is. It's a charger. I need one of these.
Look what I found. I found the giant sticks.
The puppy.
Yeah.
It's cool. We still don't have a lot of stuff.
Wow, this is so cool.
That is nice. I like it. A little wall shelf. Got lights. Baskets down there. More baskets. Still have these pillows. It's nice up there. Now they have chairs. I didn't see these last time. It's a cute little table. Miss Monopoly. More pillows.
Fluffy pillows.
Little blankets. Still kind of empty. We did. Alright. All your phone necessities. It's cute, the avocado. And cactus. Let's see if they have anything new over here. No, not really. What are you doing, Sophie?
Picture.
Still very empty. It looks like they're just putting their stuff out.